Next time is now. I want to continue playing. I want to see what this dungeon secrets will heal to me. You see, like these? Like, how do I access all of this? Fuck off. This gun pass has the lowest bullet capacity. Oh, great. Nice. For this knight is never a problem because he's wood. He's a big ass target. Oh, that's where I got friends. Fuck off. That's right. Get wrecked. Dick-shaped wimps. Look at this room again. It has no... Okay, it always looks like this room is holding up a really big fight. It doesn't. But this room looks like a fucking hallway and... Oh, black. That would be nice. Shoot that with shotguns, right? Ah, fuck off. Edge. Go on. Focus. Why face? Fuck. What the hell did I get for this? Shoot that box. I just feel like you shouldn't obtain any damage during the first floor. So how are you ever gonna survive the second? You come from top. Well, now I like this. You know, like no. Don't die, because I'm getting a tight spot. Of course you run into this one single... Phew. I was hoping it wouldn't. Yeah, nice to group up and da! Not my bad. I don't know how to improve. Get real close, they shoot. Oh, it's one ghost! No, just... Still. Gun. Okay, cool. Stay back. What? But this character wants to be close, because then most bullets will hit. And you can really burst down your enemies. I really need to use my bullet like my firebomb. Let's call it firebomb because I'm not sure I'm pronouncing this right. I mean, I know I'm pronouncing it right, but in English. Hello, fuck off. I was trying to run away from a stationary barrel that I knew was going to kill me if I got near it. Quick restart. Once again. Again I say. I do like the config. Kind of my all balls out game style, and just run towards the enemy. Shoot them first. Fuck me! You motherfuckers. Oh, I got hit twice, great. See? If you get real close, bam bam. So now I'm spoke by No, don't get hit. This. Die, and then they would let explode, and then I get hit, and fuck that, I'm doing away. Okay. Oh, now you die. Well, at least we have shot them. That's nice. I'm really wondering if I get random drops off the room clears anyway. Then why do I need the corgi on hunters? DPS on this character is crazy. Oh well, the fucking technology. Used for good luck. Enemy bullets go wide. And but I need to use it. Usable, not a passive. I'm not entirely sure whether I like this more than my Molotov cocktail. Let's use it. That would be a good time to use if it's a fact. Die. Whoa, ammo. Of armor. Murder that motherfucker here, murder that motherfucker there. I feel like doing this in character would be more interesting. Bitches. You know the first losers I killed. Boss room. I'm in no condition to face it. Ah, fuck. Forgot. God hit me. My gunslinging, lean gun machine. The gunfighting machine. No shit, I bought the best. Oh, money. Take that. Take it. Eat it. Living grenades. The other horse is this gungeon has to offer. Books. I hate books. And books at me. Ah, shot. That's my middle name. Take it. See, with the Marine, I should have hit all of those shots. And need to reload. It's an R-rated book on naughty. Come on, 2 shotgun shots and it's not dead. 3 shotgun shots and it's not dead. Whoa, we made a mess from the library. Well, hello, sir. I think you're more than a slightly bit overpriced. I really make this woman sound like a man. I will come back after I rob the bank. Who is the criminal now? Christ, crazy. Boom. Behind you. At least I got some cash. Get out of my way, you quality benches and whatnot. Aha! Can't hit me. Oh, found a key. I always want to hear about you and nasty secrets. Common chest. Oh, got a gun and health. Finished gun, still one. Unfinished gun. Oh wow. Straight from the gunsmith's forge. It's also a regular gun rather than some novelty item that screws you over in the long run. Boom. Okay. I need a key for this as well. Oh, there's a... Oh. I will come back when I have such key. Okay. Such key. Hey, I didn't graduate from from middle school, okay? I'm a sport thief. That creepy old man on the poster looks creepy and old. Well, we do want chest. So. Give me the key. No, yeah, this is where I was, but not the room I need to go to. I mean, I bought a gun. Gonna afford some clothes. Yes. Cool, and a t-shirt gun, which is fucking awful. Okay, so the t-shirt gun got us killed last time when we faced the boss. So that's not gonna happen now. I have the collected knowledge from all mortals who went in here before. I'm a demigod. A bad boy demigod. I'm gonna pretend like I'm not a woman. Go on, yeah. This boss, by the way, takes forever to fucking... Okay. Obviously, we're in all kinds of dangerous battles that will murder us. Oh well. I'm a hot shot. Sitting down. You can't aim for shit, buddy. Ow. I'm angry. And you're not gonna like me when I'm angry. Fuck me. Shit. Shoot him before he shoots you. No! Oh, I can't blame the gun. Oh, I blame the bastards that murdered half of me health. Oh, I didn't use my item, but I don't think it was it off cooldown? Whatever. I never used the item because the cooldown on those items is so crazy long. You forget to use them. I'm sure it's true. Like make him less spectacular, and to reduce the cooldown, or make him spectacular. I like it that they're on the cooldown, but you know, like so long you never use them. Turn the breach. Okay, well, we're back here and nothing's changed. It stopped changing after we had the entire TV installed. yeah. So let's watch that. In fact, inspired by heroes made in Hollywood, these losers with guns set out to get shot and get shot again. I'm gonna go to the wiki, figure out how to unlock the final character or anything, and set that as my goal. So I want to thank you all for watching, and until the next time when we enter the gungeon.